To measure elbow extension range of motion using a goniometer, the patient is supine with the upper extremity to be measured in the anatomical position and the elbow extended as far as possible. A folded towel is placed under the distal humerus, proximal to the humeral condyles. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. The stationary arm is aligned with the lateral midline of the humerus and the acromion process, and the moving arm is aligned with the lateral midline of the radius and the radial styloid process.
Ms. Reese, I'm going to measure how much you can straighten your elbow using this device. I'm going to put some towels under your arm. Keep your arm relaxed with your palm facing up.